Here's a video on how to raise mealworms, scientific name Tenembrio molitor. Now whether you're eating them yourself or you have a scaly friend that eats them, there's some basic life history to understand about the mealworm. They have a life cycle that starts with an egg. These are small eggs. Out of the eggs hatch larvae, otherwise known as the mealworm. These mealworms go about their lives and grow until they're ready to transition into pupae. And from the pupae emerge the beetle. Now the beetle is the adult life stage of the mealworm. And these are sexual creatures, meaning that there are two separate sexes. So the beetle will go off and find a mate. It will breed with its mate, and the female will then produce eggs, and the life cycle starts all over again. Now to keep and raise mealworms, start off with a nice bin. Now mealworms are essentially a grain pest, and so providing them with different types of grains will make them quite happy. One of the most common types of foods for mealworms is wheat bran. Next, I'm adding chicken feed. Next, oatmeal. Now, some flour. Then, instant mashed potatoes. And, for some added nutrition, some powdered bio-greens. Now, you can add your denizens to the bin. Some worms, and if you got them, beetles. Your new friends will find their way into the bin. They'll burrow into the substrate. I mist them at least once, if not twice a day, with a little bit of water. I also provide them some juicy vegetables for water sources such as carrots or citrus of some kind, or any leftover vegetable scraps.